I beg your listening in the next 15 minutes. And I really want you to listen for two things. The one thing is something, the moment you get it, it's like an access for you to take your life to the whole new level. And you can also listen, there is a practice involved in this. Very single, simple, secret practice. Very easy to practice. And when you do that, you can awaken the business yogi in you. So welcome all of you to this program, 15 minutes program, Awaken the Business Yogi in You. How many of you failed in life? Failed in business, failed in schools, wherever it is. Everybody should, raise your hand, right? How many of you have been failing? Yesterday you failed, today also you failed, now also you are failing. How many of you know that you are going to fail? I haven't failed yet, but I'm going to fail. How many of you that? Congratulations to all those of you right now, raise your hand. Why? Because you are going to be successful. 100% guarantee, my guarantee. Only thing is you just stay there and observe. This happened to me around 6 years back in 2012. I started my new business, the business of business coaching. Almost more than a month passed. I don't even have a single client with me. The state was a very distracting and devastating. I really don't know what to do. Completely confused. Completely confused. Something was very clear for me. What happened? When I looked at the past, I wanted to be number one in my school days. Never happened. I failed. Afterwards, I wanted to be number one in my college. Wow, I failed again. I wanted to be a successful trainer. You know what happened? I failed again. I wanted to be a very successful business owner. You know what happened? I failed again. Forget it. Now let me go to work. I want to earn a lot of money. What happened? I failed again. No. If I really want to make money, I need to be in business. Let me start business. Now this is the state after starting the business again, the business of business coaching. Oh my God. Now what to do? I was very clear. I knew that failure never fails to fail. Failure never fails to fail. I lost all the money I had. I lost all the respect I had. And many relationships, people are looking at, Sri Kumar, why are you doing business, man? You have long qualifications, you can go to work. Inside, for me, it's like, no answer. I also left with a lot of questions at that point of time. What kind of questions? Why me? My God, why me? Why are you giving this kind of failures in my life to me? What do I do now? Why this kind of situation in my life? Why I have been failing and failing and failing and failing and failing? Why I am not succeeding? All the whys. I knew that I am not getting an answer with this why. What happens to why is, the moment you ask in this kind of situation, the moment you ask why, what you will have is confusion. The confusion leads you and puts you into desperation. The desperation puts you into depression. Before that, I said, no, I don't want these questions. I stopped asking questions. I stopped asking questions. I started questioning myself. Listen, please. I started questioning myself. Questioning was, why? How come? How come I am failing? What is that action I am taking that I am in this situation today? What is the action I am not taking such that I can be successful? No? How come I am not taking those actions? What are those actions? What is the space I am creating myself so that the situation is like this now? What is the space I can create so that I can completely transform the situation? Like that, started questioning intensely. When I started questioning intensely, suddenly there are a lot of answers. When I have questions, I didn't have an answer. When I started questioning, there were a lot of answers. Wow, I continued to question myself. I reached a point then where there is no answer. I reached a space of complete tranquility, clarity, vacuum, the nothing. I could see the present. I could feel the present. I could experience the present. I can really experience the present the way I am standing in this stage right now and seeing you. Present is so present in me. And in that present, I could feel and experience His presence, the presence of the Almighty. And I could see that there is a present He is waiting to give me. And that presence and His present, I call Him the business yogi. And that's the time I said, if I don't create anything, nothing gets created. But if I create nothing, everything gets created. You create nothing, I will tell you, everything gets created. For that, you need to be present in your present. Otherwise, you are not present in the present. We are somewhere always. We are in the past, we are in the future, we are in planning, we are creating something, organizing something, doing this and that and everything, all the bullshit in life. But I am not present in my present at all. I could see His presence. The presence, His presence is His present to me. And that's what I said, the business yogi. The moment I could create this, the moment I could feel this, the moment I could experience this, within 3 weeks' time, I got my first client. Because I decided I will not achieve this. I will not invite any clients. I will not say yes to any client if it is less than 5,000 rupees per hour. After this, I got my first client. 12,500 rupees per hour. Afterwards, for myself, whether it is for myself or my clients, for myself, I can create His presence. I can create His present. I could see that He is coming with lot of gifts to me. It is so precious. Very, very precious gifts. And with that precious gift, within 3 months' time, I could turn around the complete financial situation what I was having. And that's the reason my customers could turn around their business, doubling their business turnover in 6 months without adding any resources. Irrespective of any situations you are in, it's possible the moment you awaken the business yogi in you. And he told me, change the change. Because I can see if I don't do anything, the future is coming to me. What is the future? Looking at me and laughing? Failure. I said that future I need to change right now. And I can do that. That change is what I need to change. I don't have to change then. Because why should I change? I got myself when His presence was there. I got myself that I love myself. Why should I change? I love my business. My business, the business coaching is not just business. That's my breathing. Why should I stop breathing? I don't want to change. Change the change before the change changes you. You don't have to change. It's possible. You are that powerful. And he told me another time, be willing to fail, but never compromise for a failure. Why? Because failure after failure after failure, what remains is success only. So don't worry about failing. Be ready to fail. Be willing to fail. Be courageous enough to fail. Even to be failing, you need to be courageous enough. Even to go through the pain, you need to have the courage, you need to have the strength. If you don't have the strength to go through the pain, you are dying. So, don't worry about failure. Failure after failure, what remains is success only. And he told me another times, failure never fails to fail, that's what you've seen. But you also remember, success never fails to succeed also. Success never fails to succeed also. Another benefit of failing, because through success, market knows you. What is important for to be successful? You should know the market, right? That happens only when you are failing. And that is why success is succeeding after failing. So be really ready to fail. If you are failing, enjoy your life. And he told me once, don't have dead people with you. If you are in business, don't have dead people with you. Have those people have deadlines. Else you will die. Another time he told me, very simple formula, success. The first step is always important. The fundamental. The first step to be successful is what? Just ready for it. You need to know if you are failing but not succeeding, you are so stuck with failing. You are not yet ready to be successful. The moment that readiness comes, you become successful. You need to be just ready. Success, just take its bus, train, flight, whatever it is and come to you. Action gives you result. Yes or no? How many of you know that action gives you result? Everybody, right? Bad news. Action doesn't give you result. Action doesn't give you result. Only the actions will give you the results. The thing is, we don't know the actions. We only know the action. So we are busy in taking some or the other actions. And I could see that leader is somebody who is creating, because I could create him myself. I could create the people with me. And when I create myself and create and create and create and create again, I could create my creation itself. So leader is somebody, is a creator who creates himself to create his creation. So create yourself. Don't worry about failing. If you are so busy in working, you are not observing. If you are so busy in observing, you are not working. This is the path to excellence. There is a thin line in between. He could really enable me to see that. And my favorite is this. I could see the present. I could see the present in the present. I also realized that I am never present. And I also see that if I am present in my present, I can really present his presence itself, and that itself is the present, the gift from his side. And that gift, that present is powerful enough to change my future, to change my present. The presence of the present in the present is never present, so you need to be so present in your present to be present that his presence is his present in your life to change your present itself. Be present. And my gift to you all is the business yogi. No business fails. They never, ever given clarity in business leadership that unfolds solutions for multiple business challenges. Wait for the book, maybe after maximum 2 months' time. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best. And it's really my privilege, and I really value your listening. I really believe that you took some value, and all the best to transform your life. Thank you so much.